This is the final level, the advanced level, and the first thing I am going to show you is how to do a while loop. And I've already wrote down the code, but I'll go through what I have wrote. So first, well, our while loop is going to be you type in a number, so whatever number you type in, so if you type in 5, it will go through the loop, start at 0, and if it's less than your number, so 0 less than 10, so it will write 1, it will go up like 1, 2, 3 here as it says number, and it will go there where the count is, and it will add 1, and then it will go 2, 2 still less than 5, so it will just carry on like that. So the first line, console.write, will output that so the user can see it, then the user will input their number. So on this line, it will be this, and then it will go through, and like I explained before, so it will be less than this number, so it'll go through this, and it will output it, and then it will add 1, and then see if it's still less than the number, and it will keep on going up till it completes it, and then it will stop, and then you can press any key and it will go out of the program. And how you do this is if you type in, say if I use 10, you need a backslash here, so then it will make it go onto a new line like this. So it goes 0 because it's less than 10, so it'll show that, and then we'll go add 1, 1 is less than 10, so prints that up to 9, and then after 9 it says 10, so it's not less than 10, so we don't print it, and it will exit the loop, so it shows press any key and I can quit it. So that's all for the first part.
Lights out, wake up in the tea, saying touch me, I'm famous. Hey stranger.
This is the final part on the last level, and on this part I am going to show you how to create a very simple calculator. So open up a new project, and then this time choose Windows Form Application, and then you want to name it whatever you want, so I'm going to name it calculator. Just make that slightly bigger. Okay, so what do you want to do is put a text box here and another text box here, and then you want to put a label here, and you want a button here and another button. Right, then click on the first button and change the text at the bottom. Make sure you click on that, and make sure it says add, so it changes the name. And this one you want it to say multiply. Okay, then this label you can leave it as anything at the moment because it will change soon. Oh, what you could do is put the label there, and then create another label and call it answer, and the answer will go into that box, and then these two numbers will be the numbers that you're adding or multiplying. So now click on this, and then it'll open up this, and then type in double A, B, C, semicolon, A equals double pass and then text box. text box 1 dot text semicolon at the end. Then again you can copy and paste that here, but let me copy and paste, so there you go. Okay, and then set that to B and make sure that's text box 2. So that'll be the first text box, and that's the second text box. And then to get C, you do C equals A plus B, where you're adding the 2 text boxes. And the third line, you want label 1 dot text equal C lowercase c dot to string, and this will print out the answer. So if I run that and put 1, 2, and it comes up with 3. So there you go. And then you see the multiply button does not work at the moment. To fix this, you need to go onto this, double click on multiply. You can use the same piece of code above, but change this to the times. And if you run that, I typed in 1 and 5, add it 6, multiply it there, it comes to 5. And there you have for a simple calculator. And this is the end of all the tutorials. You can go through all the tutorials again if you want, if you're stuck on anything. And after this, go through the revision references, or if you have already, then you can go straight to the quiz. And if you make any mistakes, you can come back to this and go through it.